Hi friends, today we see the timetable for 19th subject. Okay, I have already uploaded the timetable for this 9th subject. That is nearly required 3 months. That is, I am uploading ENT, ophthalm, OBJ, anatomy, surgery, orthopedics, pediatrics, physiology, pharmacology timetables. I have already uploaded. Okay, so but today we upload the timetable of all other subject, that is 10 subject, all other subject also include this subject also. So today we see the all 90 subject timetable. So timetable, get ready for the timetable of 90 subject for the PG entrance exam. That is required nearly 6 months. We have already completed that subject in 3 months, and we have left 3 months that for the remaining subject. But you have those who have started late, then they also completed this in 4 to 5 months or 3 months also. I am telling you the in some time how you complete in 3 months also. Okay. So this is the my suggestion that from which app you have to see the video lecture. I have both PrepLadder and Maroplan video lectures. So I have suggest you the use which is better. I'm not saying that is bad. Any subject is bad in any app. I'm telling you the only the which is better. Okay, in which app which is better. That is anatomy. PrepLadder is best. Okay, in PrepLadder video bladder anatomy videos are very best, and marrow in the marrow physiology also the very best. Anatomy physiology no doubt, anatomically pre-bladder, and for the physiology marrow, biochemically marrow अच्छा है. And also in the pre-bladder is also better, but more better is in the marrow. पैथोलॉजी के लिए प्रिप्लैडर भी अच्छा है, मैरो भी अच्छा है, but PrepLadder is better. Pharmacology in PrepLadder and Marrow is very nice in both the app, very nice, but I prefer in the PrepLadder. Microbiology, there is PrepLadder and Marrow also nice, but in the Marrow there is the very lengthy video. That's why I prefer the PrepLadder. In FFD, no doubt marrow. Ophthalmology, no doubt marrow. ENT, marrow, and in PrepLadder also both are nice, but in marrow is better. PSM, no doubt PrepLadder. Medicine, marrow also better, and the PrepLadder also better. But in the marrow, there is a lengthy video, but in this marrow, sir include that complete include the in lecture that anatomy, physiology, pharmacology. They include the all subject in combined. That's why I prefer the marrow. In the surgery, marrow and preparator both are nice, but I prefer marrow. This marrow is better. In OBGYN, marrow and preparator both better, but marrow lectures are better than the preparator. Pediatrics, no doubt marrow. Orthopedics, marrow as well as preparator is nice, but on those who attend the ODD, Orthodhum Dadaga, Apurva Mehra lectures, Mehra sir's lecture, those prefer the PrepLadder, and otherwise marrow is better. Dermatology, no doubt marrow. Anesthesia, no doubt marrow. For radiology, PrepLadder and marrow both are better, nice, but PrepLadder is more better. Okay, and psychiatry, no doubt PrepLadder. So, and the on this side I calculate the hours that is included in the PrepLadder. So like 70 hours video of anatomy in PrepLadder, 44 hours lectures of physiology in marrow. That is I have included these hours that side Okay, that is nearly 888 hours. Okay, total. I have included the marrow hours as well as and the prep ladder, that is I have uploaded timetable also already, pharmacology timetable for prep ladder marrow both users. Okay, so now we see the how to complete this in 6 months. Okay, that is total video lectures of 90 subject is 888 hours, and it required 6 months. uh, if you see the 5 hours lecture daily, then you have complete in the 180 days, that is in the 6 month. Okay, so daily we have to study for 10 to 12 hours. 5 hours we have given to the video lecture, 4 to 5 hours to the Q banks, and 2 to 3 hours for the MCQ books or the guide books. Those who have not improved in their grand test marks or subject wise mark, then you have to prefer read also the guidebooks. Uh, if you not improving the by seeing the video or cube after solving cube, then you have to read cube guidebook also. So and those who have less time, that is those who are starting late from now also, those are also completed in 3 months also. If they have uh, 10 hours daily वीडियो देखते हैं, अगर 10 आवर्स डेली वीडियो हम देखते हैं तो हम 3 मंथ्स में कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. If you have 7 to 8 hours video daily, then you have for in 4 to 5 months you have completed the whole syllabus. Okay, so this is the overview. That is how many hours videos are 5 hours video daily. I am preparing the timetable according to the, that is planner, marrow planner, and this side is given the days according to mark distribution. How many days we have to give the subject, that is 6 month planner. Okay, so according to this I am giving the days. For medicine I give the 19 days because this is a very many hours video lectures. That's why I'm giving the more hours to this, and also medicine include the pharmac, anat, physio. So that's why we have to give the extra days in this. Okay. Uh, I'm not exactly doing that this day. 1 to 2 days more or 1 to 2 days less than this planner, but I have completed it. It is in the 6 month. Okay, so this is the actual days I have given to the subject. Is subject. Okay, this is the all days I am giving that in the timetable. I am giving the, that is mm, suggestion that which books are prefer to read, that is guide books to read for the each individual subject. Okay, this is anatomy. For anatomy, Dr. Rajesh Kaushal sir's book. For physiology, Dr. Soman Manna sir book. Biochemistry, no doubt Ramika James ma'am book. For pathology, Dr. Devesh Mishra sir's book. Pharmacology, Dr. Govind Rai Garg's book. Microbiology, Dr. Apurva Shastri book. For FMD, Dr. Sumit Seth's book. For ophthalmology, Utsav Bansal's books. For ENT, Dr. Shakshi Arora ma'am's book. PSM, Dr. Vivek Jain sir's book. Medicine, Deepak Marva sir's book. Surgery, Pritesh Singh sir's book. OBGY, Sakshi Arora ma'am book. Pediatric, Tarun Mehra sir's book. Orthopedics, Dr. Apurva Mehra sir's books. Dermatology, Dr. Saurabh Jindal sir's book. Anesthesia, Dr. Arvind Rao sir's book. For radiology, Dr. Sumit Sethi sir's notes. You can see the by the books also. For the psychiatry, Dr. Praveen Tripathi sir's book. Okay, this is all. That is my suggestion for the books. Okay, guide books. Now we see the individual timetable, that is 19 subject timetable individually. Okay, this is the anatomy and surgery timetable. Okay, I have already uploaded this timetable. Okay, but now I have also prepared the separate anatomy timetable. Okay, if you have want to both anatomy and surgery both at the same time, then you can follow this timetable. This is the marrow users. Okay, marrow का यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. I have written सब topic और यहाँ पे topics also, and we have not follow marrow or pre-bladder or that is, you read notes, your own notes, then you can also follow this timetable. Okay, so this is especially for the marrow users. Okay, this is the 11 days timetable of the anatomy of pre-bladder. Okay, I am giving the video number, QBank number. It is the English video. Okay, ये English वाले वीडियो है. I have give this is English video numbers and QBank number. I am other pre-bladder timetables of other subject. I am giving the English video. जो हिंदी में है उसके नंबर्स दिए हैं. यहाँ पे मैंने इंग्लिश के दिए हुए क्योंकि एनाटॉमी के हिंदी के वीडियो अभी तक अपलोड नहीं है पूरे, उस वजह से मैंने इंग्लिश के यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं. यहाँ पे मैंने टॉपिक्स लिए लिखे हुए. हर टाइम टेबल जो दिया है मैंने पूरे 19 सब्जेक्ट का यहाँ पे टॉपिक्स लिखे हुए, क्योंकि कोई मैरो यूज करता है, कोई प्रिप्लेडर यूज करता है, कोई नोट्स यूज करता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम writing the topics on this side, so you can read from any book. You can from the you can from the read from guidebook, from marrow or pre-bladder or the any notes, Ram's note, Bhatia notes. You can follow whichever you want, but this is the topics I am writing, so you can easily get that key which topic on which day. Okay, so this is 11 turn. I am on now on only seeing आपको दिखाऊंगी सिर्फ टाइम टेबल अदर सब्जेक्ट के. ओके, सो आपको अगर हम आपने मेरे वीडियोस देखे हुए तो आपको समझ में आएंगे ये वीडियो नंबर्स क्या है, क्यू बैंक नंबर क्या है, ये डेज क्या है. आई एम नॉट गिविंग द डेट, तारीख नहीं दी है मैंने, डेट्स नहीं दी है इसके वजह क्योंकि कोई प्रिपरेशन मतलब पहले दूसरा कोई सब्जेक्ट पढ़ता है, कोई मेजर सब्जेक्ट प्रेफर करता है पढ़ने के लिए, कोई फर्स्ट ईयर से चालू करता है, तो इसलिए मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ पे डेज लिखे, डेट लिखे नहीं है, तारीख नहीं लिखी कोई. सो you can start with any subject. Okay, so this is the anatomy timetable, you can screenshot it. This is physiology timetable, 8 days marrow का. This is marrow back number, video number. Okay, this is biochemistry, 12 days timetable marrow का. This is 13-day timetable of pathology. This is pharmacology timetable 10 days. ये pre-bladder का है और ये marrow का है. Okay. Okay, this is the pre-bladder and this is the marrow. This is the microbiology timetable of 10 days pre-bladder. 4 days timetable FMT. 7 days timetable ENT. Ophthalmology marrow 7 days. PSM ये हिंदी के है, इंग्लिश के वीडियो. ओके, BSM timetable 13 days. This is the 19 days timetable of medicine. I have to zoom it so you can see it properly. This is in the one page. This is timetable for surgery, 12 days. This is 8 days timetable of pediatrics. OBGYN timetable 15 days. Ortho timetable 5 days. Dermatology timetable 4 days. Anesthesia timetable 6 days. This is 5-day timetable radiology. This is psychiatry timetable for 4 days. Okay. So all these the 19 subject timetable. Okay, I am seeing this also. Okay, जो बराबर दिख नहीं रहे होंगे, छोटे है, राइटिंग छोटी है, उसको मैं इस तरह से दिखा देती हूँ एक बार. ओके. जिनकी छोटी राइटिंग है उसको मैं झूम करके दिखा दे रही हूँ, so you can see properly. This is the medicine. नाइन्टी डेज. बाकी तो दिख रहा है. I have already uploaded these timetables, that is pediatrics, physiology. You can see my individual timetable videos also. Okay. So this is the all subject 19 subject timetable. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you like my video, kindly like and subscribe my channel. If you any suggestion, if you have any suggestion, kindly give the your suggestion, write in the comment box. Thank you friend for watching this video. Thank you so much.